Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sofie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this pink halo eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing that I am doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything into place with some translucent powder. And if you're watching this video, go ahead and leave a comment down below of videos that you guys want to see from us. Let us know if you guys want to see more vlogs, if you guys want to see more sit down, get ready with us. Just go ahead and leave a comment down below. We've been kind of lost as to what to post, but we know that you guys really like our eye looks, so that's why I'm bringing you guys an eye look tutorial for today's video. So I am using this really rusty, dusty, old, it's not old, but I am like super heavy-handed when I go in with my shadows. So sorry if my palette looks a little dirty, but I'm using my Morphe X James Charles palette, the original one. And I just mixed those two pink shades together and I just applied them in my crease. And now I am going into this purple magenta shade right here. It's like a darker cranberry. And I'm going in with my angled brush and I'm just applying a line of definition above my natural crease. Next, I'm going into a very small tapered brush and I'm going back into those two pink shades mixed together and just going in left-right motions over top of this line. And then once I feel like it's really nice and diffused, I'll go in with a little bit of that darker cranberry shade and I'll just apply that once again directly over top of that line in left and right motions, and it'll just help give us a nice gradient. And then I just grabbed my angled brush and some concealer and I'm just carving my crease and also applying this on my lid. And I'm not going all the way to the inner and outer corner because we're going to be applying shadow to those areas anyways. So I'm just kind of focusing this definition on the center half of my crease. Next, I'm going into this really small compact brush and I'm just going to be pressing some translucent powder over top of that concealer, and it's just going to help ensure that nothing budges, nothing moves around. And then I'm going into my small tapered brush once again and mixing those two light pink shades, and I'm just applying this to the very inner and outer corner and then just dragging inward whatever is left over, just focusing majority of that pigment on the very outer corners. And then I'm going to be going into that darker cranberry shade with a pencil brush, and once again focusing that on the very inner and outer corners and just kind of dragging inward motions, and that's just going to blend everything together very seamlessly, very easily. And then I'm going to be going into a ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed body glitter, and these body glitters are not intended for the eyes, so I just have to give that disclaimer really quickly. If you have sensitive eyes, I don't think that I would recommend this for you to try. I don't have sensitive eyes at all. I never get a reaction from using these on my eyes, but they're intended for the body, so I just have to say that. But this one is in the shade Love Language. I'm not sure if it's still on their site. I will link something similar down below. And then I just peeled off my tape. For concealer, I am using my Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and then I'm setting everything in place with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And then for lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. If you guys want to support a cruelty-free lash company, the link for these lashes will always be down below. I applied my Double Life Urban Decay liner in my waterline. And then for the lower lash line, I just applied those two light pink shades mixed together and that cranberry shade just to the outer corner with a angled brush, just like we did in the upper crease. And then I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went into the Anastasia and Beverly Hills Aurora palette. Every product that I use in this tutorial will be linked down below. And yeah, this is the finished look right here. Let me know if you guys liked it. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. We appreciate it so much. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.